Hi all, welcome to my YouTube channel again. Today we are going to discuss about the divisibility rule for 11. It says that a number is exactly divisible by 11 if the difference between the sum of digits at odd places and the sum of digits at even places from the right is exactly divisible by 11. Got it? Let us try to understand this rule with an example. Example is 12243 exactly divisible by 11? Let us check. First, apply the rule. Step 1. In 12243, the digits at odd places from the right are 3, 2 and 1. So, the sum of digits at odd places from the right equals 3 plus 2 plus 1 gives you 6. Step 2. In 12243, the digits at even places from the right are 4 and 2. So, the sum of digits at even places from the right equals 4 plus 2 gives you 6. Step 3. Find the difference between the sum of digits at odd places from the right and the sum of digits at even places from the right. This equals 6 minus 6 gives you 0 as the result. Step 3. Check. Is 0 exactly divisible by 11? When 0 is divided by any non-zero number, then the quotient as well as the remainder is always 0. So, you can say 0 is exactly divisible by 11. Therefore, according to the divisibility rule for 11, 12243 should be exactly divisible by 11. Got it? Now, let us check the correctness of the divisibility rule using long division. When we divide 12243 by 11, we get 0 as the remainder. So, you can say 12243 is exactly divisible by 11. Hence, the divisibility rule for 11 holds true in this case because the divisibility rule already confirmed that 1, 2, 2, 4, 3 should be exactly divisible by 11. Got it? Example 2 and 3 are self-explanatory. So, please make a note of them. Thank you. Tomorrow we will discuss competitive exam problems. So, please do not miss it. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel Basics to Master Maths. Thank you.